Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making something warm, comforting, and absolutely delicious, masala chai. This spiced tea is a staple in Indian households, and once you try it, you'll understand why. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make the perfect cup of masala chai. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, or your favorite plant-based alternative, 2 teaspoons of loose black tea leaves, or 2 tea bags, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, adjust to your taste, and for the masala spices, we'll use 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, lightly crushed, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves, a small slice of fresh ginger, or 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, a pinch of black peppercorns, optional, for a little kick. First, add 2 cups of water to a pot and bring it to a boil. While that's heating up, let's prep our spices. Crush the cardamom pods lightly to release their flavor. You can also use a mortar and pestle for this. And don't forget the fresh ginger. It adds such a wonderful warmth to the chai. Once the water is boiling, add all your spices, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and black peppercorns if you're using them. Let this simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to infuse the water with all those amazing flavors. Now, add your tea leaves or tea bags. If you're using loose tea, 2 teaspoons should be perfect. Stir it in and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. Next, add your sugar. I'm using 2 teaspoons, but you can adjust this depending on how sweet you like your chai. Time for the milk. Pour in 1 cup of milk, and let everything come to a gentle boil. Keep an eye on it, because chai has a tendency to boil over if you're not careful. You'll know it's ready when the color turns a beautiful golden brown and the aroma fills your kitchen. Once your chai is ready, turn off the heat and strain it into your favorite cup. Look at that rich, creamy texture. It's pure comfort in a cup. This is perfection. The spices, the tea, the creaminess, it's the perfect balance. Whether you're starting your day, or need a little pick-me-up in the afternoon, masala chai is always a great idea. And that's how you make masala chai. I hope you give this recipe a try, and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking, and happy sipping.